Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, your friend and lender for life, and I'm here with my friend Hipotecas by Josue with Golden Empire Mortgage of Ontario. Today we're here to drop some nuggets for you and give you the 411 on the latest offering from the state of California for eligible first-time home buyers from the California Housing Finance Agency.
It's called Dream for All. It is a state-funded program for most first-time home buyers within California to be able to put 20% down towards their future home purchase. And this is a really big deal, guys.
It's so big. With 20% behind you, you have a variety of options for financing, making your home more affordable. You can avoid mortgage insurance. You can do a combination of closing costs and down payment with this program. So you really get the opportunity to step into real estate with little to no money out of pocket. What are some of the other caveats to this program, Josue?
Well, it is a conventional program, so you do have to qualify as a conventional buyer. If you are within the AMI income of 80% or lower, you could be as low as 660 FICO score, but normally you're going to need to be at least a 680. Now, the higher the credit score, the better your situation is going to be for financing. This program is going to be open to a lot more buyers out there because the income limits are fairly high. Just to give you an example, if you live in San Bernardino and Riverside County, you can make up to $173,000 a year and qualify for this program. In LA County, you can make up to $180,000 a year, and in Orange County, up to $235,000 a year. Now, these are just example, guys, because remember, it's open to every county within California, even the high bay areas, which I know a lot of you guys are thinking, I make a lot of money, how am I going to qualify for this? You'll be very surprised.
The state's allocated $300 million for this program, so the funds are going to run out pretty quickly. Now, while $300 million sounds like a lot of money, if you really think about it, if the average home price is $600,000, that means for every $1 million allocated, about 8 to 9 families are going to get to take advantage of those funds. So as you can guess, those funds are going to go quick. It's my projection that anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 families will have access to these funds before they're all used up. If you're already in the market and you're considering affordable housing loans, make sure your loan officer covers this for you. If they're not offering it to you, you need to hit us up. We are advocates for affordable housing, and we make sure that every first-time home buyer is aware of these programs without hesitation. You need to know that. If your lender's not sharing this with you, you probably need to align yourself with a better resource for funds.
Now, there's going to be compensating factors, and one of them we really like to highlight for you because it's very important.
Right. So, as things are commonly said, if it sounds too good to be true, it's probably not. This is true to the bone. But there's a catch, and here's the catch. The state is betting on an appreciating real estate market. So tune in. If you're concerned or thinking that home prices are going to drop, the state doesn't, and they're about to put $300 million where their mouth is. They're going to offer this money with the expectation of an appreciating market. If you're at 80% AMI or below, then you will be reinvesting into the state's fund 15% of your gained appreciation, not gained equity, gained appreciation. If you're above the 80% AMI, it's going to be 20%. So what this means for you, just as an example, is if you buy a $600,000 property, the state's going to give you $120,000 toward your down payment and closing costs, however you choose to use it. And when you sell, be it 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line, you're going to pay back whatever the gain is of the appreciated amount. So if you end up selling that house for $800,000, you had a $200,000 appreciation. At 20%, you'll reinvest back into the state's fund $40,000 of the appreciated amount. Now, while this might not be for everybody, the state does have other programs like the CalZIP and the My Home program that offer less, but they expect less in return as well. So that's important for people to know.
This program really sounds like a win-win situation to me, Thomas. I mean, people are going to be able to have a moderate to low affordable payment throughout their mortgage. Meanwhile, they're waiting to build equity, and when they do cash out, they're going to cash out with a lot of money. Like you said, the example you talked about, they cashed out with still $160,000.
We take pride in affordable housing, the proper education of all buyers in the market, especially our first-time home buyers. The process can be relatively intimidating, and while a lot of people hesitate because they don't think they have enough money saved, or they don't think their credit's where it's at, I'll tell you what, my team and I have a solution. And we'd like to tailor an option that's specific for you and helps you meet your needs.
We've helped many people in the past reach their goals to be able to obtain the qualifying credit scores to purchase a home. We'd love to help you out, and we would love to hear from every single one of you guys to see how this programs fit your needs.
If you have any specific questions that maybe we didn't cover in this video, we'd love to get those questions from you so we can address them in a follow-up video.
So guys, remember, don't weigh up. Reach out to us. We'd love to be able to look at your situation in detail because everybody's situation is different to make sure all these options here can meet your needs and your goals so you make an educated decision.
More information is going to become available on the 27th of this month. So get your applications in, get it started, and let's figure out where you're at. Because if you're looking to take advantage of the help from the state, it's going to be around for a limited time, so every day counts.
That's right. We hope you found this information useful. We want to hear from all of you. Take care, guys.